Okay, well, it has been 24 days, 24 reasons to smile. Disagree. There have been some bad ones, but there have been some amazing ones too. Don't know. What do I want to do first? Should I go? I think I'll run down some of my favorite ones. There was the chai tea, of course. That was very nice. Um, the Go Go Go, which I had a couple days ago, that was very good too. Gorgeous Geisha was a very good one. Jade Mountain, Lemongrass and Ginger, that one I liked a lot. A little bit of honey, and it was absolutely wonderful. Morning Sunshine, Melbourne Breakfast, they were sweet black teas, loved them a lot. New York Breakfast, again. It's hard to top, it would be hard to place my top five. The strawberries and cream one was also very good. Um, but I think it's some of the bad ones though. Yeah, the China Jasmine one. That one just tasted like carpet powder. Not cannot recommend. Definitely cannot recommend the Sleep Tight. Again, I cannot express this sentiment enough. Potpourri. It was hot potpourri water. Who thinks that's a good idea? I don't know. But let's do the final day of T2's Tea Advent Calendar. It's right here. Let's try not to tear it this time. Once all the doors get open, they become quite fragile. I was hoping for a black tea for my last one, but this one is called Christmas Breakfast. When making a cup of tea, always add a splash of love. Okay then. 'Tis the season to embrace this delightfully classic gingerbread brew. Filled with familiar festive flavors, this merry drop is a starry-eyed constellation of robust, sweet, and velvety smooth notes. It is a black tea. Black tea, ginger, cinnamon, with vanilla and chocolate flavorings. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that does smell Christmassy. I'm not usually like a jolly Christmas person, but that smells lovely. Okay. String the bag. I think we're over 50% for the strings not falling in the bag, so let's try not ruin that streak.
And since it is a black tea, I'm probably going to go and get some milk in a second. Is that enough? We've got a nice close-up shot. Hopefully my washing machine can't be heard in the background. When making a cup of tea, always add a splash of love. Oh, the string fell in the bag.
Let's just get out, 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 out. It's hot. And yeah, that is gonna need some time to brew. This one's up. This one's 2 to 4 minutes this time. We finally broke our 3 to 5 streak. Yes. Okay then. Join me again in a few seconds when we fade to it. Well, it's been 2 to 4 minutes roughly. I got myself some milk, as you can see. I got myself Shiva for the final day. May have bribed him with a treat or two. Yes, okay. How about like if I put him he wants to be the center of attention. Look, come here. Look, have that one there. Down there. And there we go. Let's just pour the milk, shall we? Yes. Not for you, kitty cat. Normally I take the tea bag out and then stir up my finger, but I forgot. Oh, shit. Well, don't worry. Find a tea towel in a bit. I managed to go the entire month without spilling any of them until the final day. I'm good. Good at this. Professional YouTuber right here, ladies and gentlemen. That's quite nice. Yeah, I think I might put a tiny bit too much milk in. But that does. It smells like when you go into the shops at Christmas and you just, there's that smell in the air. This is exactly what this tea smells like. It's lovely. Really is lovely. Oh, that is a really, really good one to end on. We started off really strong. Had a couple of missteps in the middle of the month, but overall, I'd say this was a fantastic advent calendar, and I absolutely love it. I love all the artwork. I loved most of the teas. Uh, I didn't love hunting for them because I am terrible at finding them, as I have demonstrated over the past month. But yeah, I had a real good time with this advent calendar, and I thank everyone who's been watching and commenting. Um, yeah, definitely. If you like tea, or if you know someone who likes tea, this is a really cool, unique advent calendar to get someone. And yeah, that's it from me. It's been a great month. And I might see you again next year. I might not, depending on what sort of advent calendar we get. But I wouldn't mind doing this again. It was a lot of fun. Next time, I won't have such problems with my camera or video editing software. I have another video about that, the reasons that will be coming soon. But until next time, guys, thank you very much for watching. It's been a blast. Oh, and Merry Xmas or whatever. It'll be a lot easier if you let me give them to you. Did you just snot on me? The hell? Have you got a cold or something? You just snotted on me. Ew, indeed. There you go, find them on my hand. Oh, you must have a cold or something. Oh, gross. Right, you gonna sit down for my final shot, please? Okay, I'll continue now.